Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on mathematical induction. In this video, ipoprove natin by induction that for all natural numbers, 1 divided by 1 times 2 plus 1 divided by 2 times 3 plus 1 divided by 3 times 4 plus and so on, all the way up to 1 divided by n times n plus 1 is equal to n divided by n plus 1. So hindi na ako masyadong explain because this is the fifth tutorial in this series. I assume na alam nyo na yung mga steps, no? So for the basis step, we check if P sub 1 is true. So P sub 1, ibig sabihin isang term lang siya, which means na yung left hand side natin, ito lang yun, no? 1 divided by 1 times 2 is equal to, yung right hand side natin, n is equal to 1. We have 1 divided by 1 plus 1. This is 1/2. The right hand side is also 1/2. Therefore, P sub 1 is true. For number 2, we have the induction step. We assume that P sub k is true and prove that P sub k plus 1 is also true. So, paano natin i-assume na P sub k is true? Lahat ng n, papalitan natin ng k, no? So, dito sa unang equation, palitan natin yung n ng k. So, 1 divided by 1 times 2 plus 1 divided by 2 times 3 plus 1 divided by 3 times 4 plus and so on. 1 over k times k plus 1 is equal to k divided by k plus 1. Okay? Lahat ng n dito, pinalitan lang natin ng k. Gusto natin gawin na lahat ng k maging k plus 1, di ba? Because we want to prove that P sub k plus 1 is true. So ito gagawin natin siyang k plus 1, ito gagawin natin siyang k plus 1. Ganon din sa right hand side, no? So 1 divided by 1 times 2 plus 1 divided by 2 times 3 plus 1 divided by 3 times 4 and so on. Yung k gawin natin k plus 1. So this becomes 1 over k plus 1. Ito magiging k plus 1 din to. Pero may plus 1 ka pa dito. So magiging k plus 2 siya. Yan din ang gusto natin gawin sa kanan. Pero since yung nasa right hand side ay sum siya nito, dapat maipakita natin na ito ay equal to k plus 1 kasi magiging k plus 1 to, di ba? Ito magiging k plus 1 tapos may 1 ka pa. Magiging plus 1, so k plus 2. So dapat mapakita natin that this is equal to k plus 1 divided by k plus 2. Ito yung target natin. So itatabi ko muna yan. Dapat mapakita natin na ang left hand side is equal to this one. Kasi yan ang gusto nating ilagay dito sa right hand side. Burahin muna natin. Now notice that the term before this, ano ang term before this? Di ba ito? So meaning pwede nating isulat to as 1 divided by 1 times 2 plus 1 divided by 2 times 3 plus 1 divided by 3 times 4 plus and so on. Ang term before this is 1 over k times k plus 1, di ba? Bago ito. Ito yung nandito. 1 divided by k plus 1 times k plus 2. This is the term before that. But notice that this part and this part are equal. And ano yan? That is equal to this expression k divided by k plus 1. Kasi yan yung sum nito eh. Ito yung sum nito eh. Diba? Which means that I can put k divided by k plus 1 instead of yung mahabang expression na yan, di ba? Tapos, meron pa akong plus 1 divided by k plus 1 times k plus 2. So, i-add ko pa yan ulit. 1 divided by k plus 1 times k plus 2. So, i-equal yan dalawang yan. Ano ang LCD nila? meron kang k plus 1 dito, common sila, di ba? So, sama natin yan sa LCD, k plus 1. Ang isang hindi common ay k plus 2, so sama rin natin yan. So, pag common, di ba, isa lang yung kinukuha. If you can't remember, dapat i-review nyo yung series natin on adding rational expressions. Next, we divide the LCD by the denominator of k divided by k plus 1. So, makakancel yung k plus 1 magiging k plus 2. If we divide this by this, ang matitira ay k plus 2 kasi makakancel yung k plus 1. And then we multiply the product by k. So, times k. And then plus, if we divide this by this, ano matitira? 1 na lang kasi pareho sila, di ba? So, plus 1. So, this becomes, if I distribute this, magiging k squared plus 2k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 times k plus 2. If I factor the numerator, anong factor ng k squared plus 2k plus 1? That's k plus 1 squared, di ba? K plus 1 times k plus 1 divided by k plus 1 times k plus 2. So, makakancel ito. Anong natira? That's k plus 1 divided by k plus 2. Which is precisely yung gusto nating makuha, di ba? So, meaning, if p sub k is true, then p sub k plus 1 is also true. Ibig sabihin, we have shown that if p sub k is true, p sub k plus 1 is also true. So, nasatisfy na natin yung conditions, no? Therefore, p sub n is true for all natural numbers n. Which is, yun yung pinuprove natin. So, that ends the proof. Alright, so tapos na tayo sa math induction ng equality, no? Ang susunod natin ng mga examples, inequality naman, no? And after that, we'll discuss also divisibility. So, kayo magkaroon ng maraming examples dito kasi medyo bago ito sa inyo and medyo mahirap itong intindihin, no? So, hopefully makatulong itong mga videos sa inyo. I'll see you in the next video.